Hello and welcome. This is Sadhusman. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the dynamic array formula called unique. And in this video, I'm going to share some examples of how to apply the unique formula. Let's go to the first example here. We have got a list of names in column A, and we want to have a unique list of values in column B. The traditional way of doing it is to first select the range of cells, go to Data tab, and remove duplicates, and click Remove Duplicates. And there you go, you have got a list of list of unique values only remaining over here. This way of removing duplicate is not dynamic. We can use the new unique function through the dynamic array formula, which is truly dynamic. Let's see how it applies. I'm going to first delete the values here and reapply the formula, which is unique. And when we select the range of cells here, the first argument is mandatory, which requires an array, and the second and third arguments are optional. So we are going to leave the second and third argument for the moment, and we are going to go with the first argument only, bracket close, enter, and we have got a list of unique values. The unique values are such that, let's say for example, this name Saad is appearing twice in this range of cells. So whatever is appearing multiple times is going to come only once in this unique list. For example, if you want to have those names only which have appeared only once in the range of cells over here, which is column A. So let's say in this case, Sheikh is appearing only once, Ahmed is appearing only once, and Abdul is also appearing only once. So if we were to have these cells as an answer, we are going to modify the formula a little bit. We refer to the range of cells. We can for the second argument by column, it is always by default it's by rows, so we can either select false or we can skip it. For the last one, we can choose from a list of two options. First is true, which means the return the items that appear only once. This is exactly what we want, and we're going to put a tab and select the true here, and bracket close, enter. So you can see the three names Sheikh, Ahmed, and Abdul appear only once. So if I add another name, let's say Fahad here, so you can now see that Fahad is added to this list, and one more name Usman has become distinct, which means that Usman is only appearing once here. So it is truly dynamic. We can either have those cells, those values which are appearing multiple times, but we want to have a unique list, and we can also have a distinct values which are appearing only once in the original range of cells. Going to the next example, we have got a multiple two-dimensional table. We have got rows and columns here, in which region, products, and sales are in the columns, and we want to have a unique list of from the multiple columns here. So I want to say, for example, in the first two columns, region and products, we want to have a unique combination. So let's see how it's done. Unique. This time, instead of selecting one single column, we are going to select two columns, both region and products. And in this case, what we want to do is we want to select all those rows, even if they are appearing twice or thrice. We want to have only one list appearing in the final result. So in this case, we want to have return unique rows, and now we want to have return items that appear exactly once, or return every distinct item. We can select this every distinct item, enter. Now you can see Asia and cherries is appearing twice in my original range of cells, first on the last row, but in this case it's only appearing once. So this is a unique list of combination of region and product in the result. Alternatively, what we can do, we can use a true here, spell it correctly. If I press enter, you can see that Asia and cherries is removed because it's appearing twice in the original list of values, and in the result only those items are appearing which are appearing only once. So we can choose which unique feature we want to have as a result. In the next example, we can use unique on columns as well instead of rows. So we have got continents in column A, and we have got 4 countries, in which you can see that country 2 and country 4 are exactly the same. So we want to have a unique list of countries here, So let's apply the formula unique here. Unique, we are going to refer to this range of cells, and in this case we want to go to unique columns, and we want to have return item that appear exactly once, and close. Now you can see Pakistan and Singapore are appearing only once. China, which is appearing twice, is removed. If you were to include China as well here, only once, then we can use a false here. Press enter. Now you can see China, England, Somalia and Chile are appearing as well, but this is only once. In the original set it's appearing twice, but in the result it's appearing only once. So we can apply unique the way we want. We can either have a unique list of values or we can have a distinct list of values. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.